Hi guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Welcome back to How To Tuesdays. If you missed a previous episode, click the link above. Trust me when I say you don't want to miss How To Tuesdays. I save you time, I save you money, and I feature some pretty cool products like today. I'm going to teach you how to apply RainX. Now, when I was racing full-time, I actually used RainX on my helmet. And when I started driving, I usually applied it on my windshield, actually around my whole car, prior to summer or road trips. Hence why I'm showing you how to apply it, because I'm about to go on vacation and my first road trip of the season. Before I get started though, it's important that you clean your windshield. I use good old-fashioned Windex. That's ammonia free. That's super important because it won't leave a streak. Okay, that said, you also want to use a microfiber cloth, and only a microfiber cloth when detailing your car. Unless you're doing a full cleaning, then you could use a sponge. But especially for your windshield, microfiber cloth, do not use a paper towel. Paper towel leaves fuzz behind. Microfiber cloth absorbs. So you're going to want to put your RainX on your microfiber cloth, not directly on the windshield, because it will be nice evenly spread out. Okay, a little bit goes a long way, so don't soak your microfiber cloth. About quarter full, that's fine. If you drive a truck and your windshield's a little bit bigger, you might need a little bit more, but don't soak the whole thing. Okay, as evenly as possible. You're going to want to rub it in. I use a circular motion. It's the only way myself and my racing buddies applied it. Other people use a vertical motion. I mean, that's fine as long as you're applying evenly. So I go back and forth a couple times. What I'm doing here, you're going to want to do on the other side as well. For demonstration purposes only, I'm just going to stick to the one side. Don't forget your wiper blade. This is great for it too. Once you're done, you're going to see a nice haze. You're going to let it dry for about 3 to 6 minutes, again, depending on how big your windshield is. But while you wait, I have a great suggestion. Shop online for Fast Lane Lifestyle by Automotive Woman Quick Spray. And while you're there, pick up a microfiber cloth. So after you're done waiting that 3 to 6 minutes, use the other side of your microfiber cloth, or just pick up a dry one. That's fresh. And you're going to want to do a nice drawing of it, again replicating what you just did. So if you did circular motions, do circular motions. If you did vertical, do vertical. Okay, and when you are done, take a quick hose or a bucket of water, sprinkle some water on it to get rid of that last layer of a little bit haze, and you're good to go. Guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss How To Tuesdays or Feature Car Friday. Thanks, guys.